Hey there, everyone. Welcome back. All right, so in this video, what I wanted to talk about is the therapeutic value of songwriting. Okay, that's my title, the therapeutic value of songwriting, because there is a therapeutic aspect to this business of songwriting. There is no disputing that. So all of us are writing songs, and most people have one of two objectives: either to make it big, right? Be a huge star, nothing wrong with that, or to write a song for a significant other. It's a very special thing to be able to share in music how you feel about somebody. It's really pretty amazing. But I gotta be honest with you, for me, it's been those things, of course. I've always wanted success and I've always wanted to share my music with others. But I found that over the years, whenever I pick up the guitar and I start fumbling around with it, even if I'm playing other people's music, there's a therapeutic value to that. I feel better. If I'm having a bad day, if I'm, struggling with whatever, as soon as I start playing and I start singing, I get lost in this world of creativity, and just being able to express emotions in a completely different way, and just being able to sort of get away from it all, you know? This is especially true when I'm creating, when I'm writing, because I get so consumed with the process of writing. I get so immersed in, the lyrics, the melody, the chord structure, putting it all together, that no matter what's going on outside that door, it doesn't, it stays outside that door, and there's a lot of value to that. I'm no mental health expert, okay, that's for sure. But my point is that it's an amazing way to get away from it all. There's a definite therapeutic value to writing and to creating. And I would guess it would be the same for painting, although I don't paint, or dancing or any of the other arts, writing a book, or because you get so, immersed in that whatever else is going on in your life, it's sort of pushed aside, at least temporarily, But with songwriting, there is, I found for myself, there is sort of a lasting type of effect as well. So if I've got something that is really weighing on me, something on my mind, a question about life or relationships or whatever, and I work it out one way or another, or I express that, get it out of me and into the form of a song, there's a therapeutic value to that for sure. And it's not just temporary. I found that it's a way for me to sort of get things off my chest, like they say, without really sort of exposing myself necessarily, because nobody knows, if the song is a personal one, if it's a personal experience, nobody knows anything unless it's someone that's closely tied into that situation, obviously, right? But for most people, they don't know, what it is, if it's from me personally, if it's whatever. So there's a sort of anonymity as well that goes with songwriting, which is really great, because you can really let loose. If it's something especially that nobody knows about, something you have in your heart, whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, whatever, but especially for bad stuff, any doubts, any fears, any insecurities, anything that's weighing on you, and you really want to talk about it with someone, but you feel you can't for whatever reason. Okay. This is an incredible tool to do that. It's really, really amazing. Without anyone ever knowing that it's actually you, that it's actually real, that it's actually happened to you, whatever that thing is, so that's a very, very powerful thing. And so, guys, anyway, I just wanted to talk about that, the therapeutic value of songwriting. It's very, very powerful on a personal level, and also for others, because if you've gone through it, if you've experienced it, believe me, others have as well. Okay. And it's an amazing way to sort of share an experience, feel better about letting it out, getting it out there, and then sharing it with others. I mean, it's just such a special gift. But anyway, for now, guys, just remember, there's a lot of therapeutic value in songwriting. It's not just about being a rock star, okay? So pick it up, play it, and let it out. Especially if you're having a bad day, there's no better way to end the day than with one of these, okay? All right, I'll see you next time.